In this video, I'll detail how to make a phone call on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, cellular and GPS or GPS only, 41mm or 45mm, then this video is going to walk you through how you can dial a contact or dial a number on your Apple Watch and then put a call through to the contact on your device. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. For you to make a phone call or call any number on Apple Watch Series 9, you need to make sure that your Apple Watch and the device is connected together. Especially, you need to make sure the Apple Watch and your iPhone, they are both connected together so that you'll be able to use your Apple Watch to call on your iPhone. However, if you are using the Apple Watch Series 9 45mm or 41mm GPS and cellular that have support for eSIM, then you can call on your Apple Watch without your iPhone. So whichever one you want to do, this video is going to walk you through quickly. Then the first thing you want to do here, when you want to call on Apple Watch Series 9 or you want to dial any number on Apple Watch Series 9, is just press the YouTube button once. Click on the phone app. Now you'll be taken to the phone app dialer page like this, or on the phone app information where it contains the favorite, recent, contact, and voicemail. Now, if you want to call any of the recent contacts on your iPhone, then come here and click on recent. Then you should see all the recent contacts on your iPhone like this. Also, if you want to dial any new contact, just click on this T9 dialer at the top left. Then go ahead and type in the contact. So once dialing the contact, just want to click on the dialer app. This. Then you see, this is going to put the call through to this contact on your Apple Watch. You can also call from the contact page like this. Scroll down and tap the contact you want to call. Then click on the dialer app, and this is going to put the call through on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily make a phone call on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.